On a ride, if you face any issue with the clutch operation, you should quickly inspect and replace the cable. It's an easy task and takes only a few minutes. Follow these steps to know how to do it. Check if you have all the tools required: 2 12mm spanners and a screwdriver. You will also need a new clutch cable assembly. Always use a genuine Royal Enfield clutch cable. Loosen and remove the rear lock nut on the right-hand cover bracket with the 12mm spanner. Now slide the clevis shaft towards the engine and remove the clutch cable ball end from the right-hand cover bracket. Remove the rubber grommet and nut from the cable. Take the clutch cable out from the right-hand cover bracket and remove the lock nut. Gently pull out the clutch cable from the chassis wire guide at the right-hand side. Now loosen the adjuster nut at clutch lever end. Press the clutch lever fully and slide out the cable from the clutch yoke bracket and take out the ball end. Pull out the clutch cable assembly from the left-hand fork cable guide. Before fitting the new clutch cable, apply some grease on the cable. Insert into the left-hand fork guide from the tail end. Next, press the clutch lever fully and insert the ball end into the clutch lever slot. Slide the cable into the clutch yoke bracket and bring it to its proper position. Tighten the adjuster to its end position. Slide the clutch cable from behind the engine guard. Avoid inserting clutch cable through the right-hand frame wire guide. Now insert the lock nut for a few threads. Insert the cable assembly unit into the right-hand cover bracket. Rotate the rear end nut and move it to the middle position. Now insert the rubber grommet into the clutch cable. Push the clevis shaft, assembly and insert the ball end into the slot. Finally, tighten the rear end nut fully. Inspect the clutch-free play at the lever end. To adjust the free play, refer to the clutch play adjustment video tutorial. Ensure free movement of the clutch and no stickiness of the inner cable in the cable sleeve. Remember that routing of clutch cable is very important to ensure vehicle performance. Remember not to wash or apply any solvent to the inner cable. Always keep the motorcycle on center stand to ensure proper routing. Replace the clutch cable as per maintenance schedule for optimal performance. Visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center for assistance. Your motorcycle is now ready for the trip. Keep riding.